The following video is a HAAS VF-2 CNC vertical machining center. This unit is new 2012. Chris is going to run a brief video of demonstration for us today.
Okay, we're just going to run through all the accesses real quick. Start with X. No problems there. Nice and smooth. Y. We'll do our X. Now we'll go ahead and do some tool changes. We'll do it one more time. Jump into the spindle test. There's 1,000 RPM. Super quiet. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. Six 6,000 RPM. And that is 8,000 RPM, maximum spindle speed for this model. See, it's running really good.
Again, the preceding video is a HAAS VF-2 CNC vertical machining center, new 2012.